We're just back from the Venice Biennale, where we had an installation in Aaron Betsky's directed exhibition Out There, Beyond Building. Our contribution to the Biennale, which we're incredibly excited to be part of it, nomadic garden, formation, reformation. Our idea, after working it over several times with Aaron, was to create, in a sense, a kind of interactive garden. This whole system, over the 2-3 month run of the exhibition, can, by the visitor, be rearranged. In a sense, it's a kind of game board where the rules are a little bit unknown, where a user can move this around and configure it any way they want. So, which happened at the opening in a very dynamic and exciting way. As an installation, it sort of exists between a complete architectural proposition and a kind of conceptual proposition. So I think in that sense, for an architecture, it's really speaking about a kind of latent situation for this, to think about architecture in a future in a slightly different way. So this is also supporting the research we're doing in our office, CNC fabrication, in this case, a series of stainless steel tubes which are laser cut. Each tube is unique. These are formed in a series of clusters, a kind of very strong form in the beginning. Well, I think the installations have become a kind of goal, or a way of, before we were doing fabrication research in the office or in universities like the Architectural Association or at Harvard, and it had no beginning, it had no end. It was just sort of this research area that was going around and around. And what the exhibitions like Venice, or recently Basel at the Schweizer Architekturmuseum, the ornament exhibition, it's given us a sort of forum or format for the research work to be directed toward at a kind of installation scale. What's interesting to me about this work is it's not representation, they're not drawings, they're not models talking about an architecture outside of the gallery somewhere else, but they're installations on their own right. And these installations really express or show what the experience of these new technologies could bring in a very, very physical and direct way.